Let me give you guys a quick update on the seeds we planted 5 days ago. This is how they are now. Voila! So the herb mix has germinated already. This is what I saw this morning. So obviously I'm very excited. And remember, this is the carrot. Still nothing is happening yet. So yeah, carrot mix. Nothing has happened with those ones yet. Then the next one. Right. That's the radish blush mix. See? Those ones have also germinated. Right. So yeah, it's doing really well. So I haven't really watered it since I planted them 5 days ago. This is the 5th day after planting them. Right. I'm really impressed with this. Just seeing the seeds I planted growing. It's nice and exciting feeling. Right, let's have a look at day 2 of our crops. Look at that. Wow. That's the mixed herbs. Carrot, nothing is still happening yet. So those of you learn from this, when you plant carrot, it takes time. And then that's the radish. So wow, you can see that. Can you notice the difference from yesterday? This is day 6. Day 6, nothing is happening in carrot. Day 6, the mixed herb is growing a couple of, that's leaves. I don't know. I'm really impressed to watch this happen. Hey guys, today is day 9 since the sowing of our seed on this propagator. And just to let you guys know that I put it on the windowsill under the radiator. So there is some heat that is getting onto this plant. And remember, the vent is still closed, so it's very moist. So hence, that's why you see the moist. You can actually see the moist in the propagator inside the containers. Yeah. So right. So the surprise today is our carrots have started sprouting. This is nice. This is exciting. You know that the mixed herbs, this is what they look like now, day 9. Then the radish looks like that. So we continue to do this and see and keep an eye on this together and all learn together. Yeah.